My love, I am ready to make you the love of my life. I have been waiting for you to make it possible for me to come meet you in your country and get married to you. I am deeply in love with you and I want to spend the rest of my life with you, honey. Wow, I think I am 101% in love with you. Can I be so bold as to invite you to study with me Saturday afternoon and after invite you to go to the movies and then invite you to go to dinner and then invite you to go dancing and then if you were not tired of my lack of objectivity, ask you a kiss. The answer, please, or shorten the process by giving me this kiss at once. Listen to me, okay? I am in love with you. I love you every second the day, and I have never loved anyone as I love you. I cry over you not because I am in pain, but because I feel so blessed that I just cannot hide my emotions. You are on my mind every moment. I have never missed anyone as I miss you. You are someone special to me. Please be with me forever and ever. I am so glad to inform you that I have fallen in love with you since the first day when I met you. I would like to present myself as a prospective lover. Our love affair would be on probation for a period of 2 months. Upon completion of probation, there will be performance, appraisal leading to promotion from lover to spouse. My love for you knows no bounds. It is timeless, ageless, and eternal. You are the light in my life, the beat in my heart, and the reason I breathe every moment with you is a moment I cherish deeply. When I look into your eyes, I see the future I have always dreamed of. Your smile, your touch, your laugh, everything about you fills me with joy and makes my heart skip a beat. You are my best friend, my confidant, my everything. I am grateful every day for the love we share and the memories we create. Thank you for being you. With you by my side, I feel like I can conquer the world. Your love is my greatest strength and my most cherished treasure. I love you more than words can express. Every time I see you, I fall in love with you all over again. Your beauty, both inside and out, captivates me and makes me feel like the luckiest person in the world.